Greetings YouTubers and bloggers, welcome to another tutorial from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you my new free tool at forpeople.com. I'll leave the link down below. This is the free AI article writing tool. You get unlimited full AI article, and here all you have to do is easily enter in a topic for the AI to write about, and you can enter in whatever you want, such as history of the computer, review of the iPhone 13 Pro, or whatever you want. So I will just make an article or have the AI write an article about the history of the computer, and you can select a tone of voice for the article. You need to select at least one of them, but 3 maximum. So I'll just leave it as default, just the casual for now, and then click on generate article, and within seconds you will get a new article generated right here. This particular article only has 325 words, but the article depends on your topic. It can range from 300, 400, 500, or even 600 or more words. So here's the article written by AI, and again, you have unlimited usage. It's all free. Check it out. There are more AI tools at forpeople.com. Thanks again, and until next time, happy blogging.